much money do you send them on a monthly basis?
I send my children $750 a month.
Skirt! $55.
On top of...
I said no outbursts.
A father's arduous journey to ensure his children's well-being has led him to seek legal action against his ex-wife. Despite his tireless efforts to provide for their children, she has refused to contribute to their support or take responsibility for their care. This unfortunate situation underscores the profound issues within our society where entitlement and neglect can have far-reaching consequences for vulnerable families.
You know, a brother needs some help round about now.
Okay.
But my ex over here, Vagelina, she needs to be coming up off the insurance money for these kids. She has not given me any help as far as like taking care of these kids. And then she wanted to play sports. I need help.
All right, how many kids are we talking?
3.
3? Okay, what are their ages?
16, 12, and 9.
All right.
Who kids are 16, 12, and 9? Go ahead.
You don't know?
He don't know it. Go ahead. I'm waiting.
Oh,
Mike,
okay.
I'm next. Don't worry.
So did you say the wrong ages
No.
or something?
16, 12, and 9.
Okay, I got you. Now, you don't have to do all of that back to her.
I'm sorry, Your Excellency.
She'll have her opportunity to speak. I just want to hear your side of things going on right now. So tell me, take a deep breath, woosah. All right. Now, what is going on? Tell me the backstory.
Okay. So me and Vag got together back in the day.
All right.
We been tight, everything was good. But then she started giving me like all kind of attitude, all kind of problems. She stopped showing up at home, Your Honor.
Okay.
And so I don't understand it. So when I was
So
coming...
y'all don't live together anymore?
No more. Not right now.
And the children live with?
Me.
Okay, got it. Continue.
Now, okay, let's be straight up. 2 of the kids, mine.
Okay.
I just take care of the little third one because she won't come around.
Okay.
I mean, he all right and stuff like that, but I take care of the third one. He all right, he's straight.
Okay.
But I don't get any insurance payments or any assistance. When these kids have to go to the doctor, when they have to be out of school because one of them hurt their leg or their arm or something like that, I don't get no help. I call her, well, that's you taking care of them kids. I know that, but I ain't have them.
This disturbing situation highlights a concerning trend where a parent's absence can have a profound impact on a child's emotional and psychological well-being. The importance of dual parental involvement cannot be overstated, particularly during a child's formative years. It is alarming to see a parent prioritize excuses over active participation in their children's lives, leaving the other parent to shoulder the responsibilities alone.
I understand your
I just need
frustration.
some help on this.
I understand your frustration.
Thank you.
Were y'all in a relationship?
We were married, unfortunately.
Oh, okay. So y'all are divorced.
Indeed.
All right. So you're under the divorce decree. Who had custody of the kids? Like who were? Okay, you. Okay. All right. All right.
No
Don't tell me.
bread.
So there was an agreement not to receive or pay child support at the time of the divorce?
Well, I didn't really want to.
I don't think the mother should pay child support to the father. You're the father.
I'll get to you in just a moment, and we'll touch on that comment you just made.
Your Highness, see, that's what I'm talking about. That's the kind of stuff I have to deal with. She don't want to do nothing for the children. Nothing.
Okay. She doesn't come and pick them up or anything like
I ain't
that?
gonna say
about
that.
it.
I ain't gonna say that.
Lie about it.
Excuse me. That's it.
My apologies.
Don't apologize, just don't do it. Okay?
She came and picked them kids up when they had that versus battle.
Okay.
She came and picked them up.
All right.
Other than that,
Was it something special about that battle?
them kids wanted to see it, so she was down for it and stuff like that. Other than that, she ain't come to pick. You ain't come pick them up for Easter. Not one Easter. One.
Okay. Now, Mr. Lewis, is there anything else you want me to know before I move over to her and she gets to tell me her side?
Now I want you to hear what she got to say right quick, because it ain't gonna be too much of nothing. I just need you to help me with this insurance.
Health insurance and child support, right?
I ain't gonna really push that, but and you know, with you being the judge, Your Honor, you can push that child support, because we need a little help. We need a little help.
Okay.
It's hard out here.
All right. Well, can I move over to her?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Hello, great evening, sunshine. Is it really my turn? You ready? You done? Okay.
Okay, all of that extra.
Because, ma'am, he's not giving you the full
You know,
story.
although I love the Vogue, we don't need it right now, okay?
I'm so sorry.
Okay, don't be sorry. Just don't do it. Get to the point. Let's go.
My ex-husband when we divorced,
Okay.
I did not have the job in which I have now. That's how he received
Where do you
custody.
work at now?
I am now a building manager.
Okay.
I have been trying to get custody of my children for several months. The reason for the divorce, once I started working at the building in the beginning, I went to take the maintenance guy over to check out one of the units that needed to be serviced, and my husband was there sticking a toy in a young lady's ear.
Wait. Your Majesty, that's a desecration.
That is not a decimation of nothing,
Yes,
sir.
it is.
You was decimating that lady's ear, sir.
First of all, both of you are saying the word wrong. It's defamation.
Her decisions have sparked considerable concern, especially her choice to work in the adult entertainment industry while raising children. This raises questions about the potential long-term effects on her children's emotional well-being and self-perception. The stigma associated with this profession can lead to lasting embarrassment and social challenges for her kids as they grow older.
Okay? And there will be no outbursts in here. Let her speak, and then when she is done, if I need clarification or anything, I will come back to you, okay?
I apologize, Your Majesty.
Okay, no apologies, just don't do it. It's that simple. Okay, now continue.
So, after that, I do come and pick up the children every weekend. I also pick them up on Wednesdays, correct? What do you do on...
You're talking to
I'm
me
sorry.
right now. You're not talking to him.
I pick them up every Wednesday and on the weekends.
Okay.
So that's when he go out and do his old nasty finagling with the money that I do send him. The children still call me for assistance financially because the money that I do send them,
How much money do you send them on a
I
monthly
send my
basis?
children $750 a month.
$55.
On top of...
I said no outburst. Do you want me to hear this case or not?
I really do. Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry.
Okay.
He is sorry. On top of...
I don't need you to throw jabs at him while I am addressing him, okay? You all are gonna have to learn to respect each other. Otherwise, I can't get any information that I need and I'll have to dismiss your case. And I know you do not want this case dismissed.
$750 a month on top of the insurance that I pay a month. And he just got a new car.
Okay.
And I believe he is about to move.
But he would need a car for the transportation of three
There
children.
was absolutely nothing wrong with the...
How do you know nothing? How do you know nothing was wrong with his car?
I'm there every week at least twice or 4 times to pick up and drop off.
That doesn't mean that nothing is wrong with his car.
Pick up and drop off.
Excuse me. That doesn't mean
He
that
got a
nothing
new
is
car
wrong with
because
his car.
he let his new girlfriend get the other car.
So are you mad about that?
No, I'm not. I'm mad that my money is not going to my children and he has me in court asking for more money.
How do you know it isn't going to the children?
My children tell me, Mama, we don't have food in the house.
Do they tell you that or
they
you
do
ask
tell me
them?
that. Oh no, I don't have to ask them.
Well, and while
any
we're on the subject of the children, how old are they?
My children, Earth, Wind, and Fire, our children.
Well, he said
Are
one
seven-
of them. He
are-
said one of them is not his child.
No, all 3 of them, 7, 9, and 11. 7,
That's far
9,
off.
You see
and
what I'm saying?
11.
You see
And
what I'm
yes,
saying,
I do
Judge?
want them to play sports because he have them at home playing video games where they're learning to play with strippers on some video game. But the girls shaking their tail on the table, on the pole, on the video game.
Furthermore, her actions demonstrate a deliberate effort to sabotage the father's reputation while concurrently evading accountability for her own actions. The contradictions in her statements are particularly troubling, as she initially accuses him of dishonesty only to later concede that his claims were, in fact, true. This blatant disregard for the principles of co-parenting, including respect, communication, and cooperation, underscores a disturbing lack of responsibility and accountability.
That's what he got them doing, and he want more money because I want them in sports.
What kind of sports are you
I just
trying
want
to
them to
put
play
in?
football, basketball.
Are you
They
going
can do
to
tennis.
cover
I
that
do not
expense?
mind.
Okay.
I actually want them back. My son walked in on him and his friend with a stripper, with the coinage, because he only makes what? A garbage, you pick up garbage and drop off garbage.
Okay, you don't have to shade him.
No shade. That's his occupation, ma'am.
At least he's working.
I'm not. No tea, no shade.
My job is waste management. While she trying to trip, it's waste management.
Pick up trash, drop off trash, and then pick up trash and pay for it with my coinage. So I don't feel that I should need to pay him anything extra.
Okay, let me ask you a question. How long have you been giving him, like how many months have you been giving him the $750?
It's been since they've been with him, and it's been a year.
Okay.
Year.
Badge, I don't know why you lying this late like this.
That's how we doing this.
I promise you.
No, that's not how we're doing this because y'all are supposed to be talking to me.
I'm sorry, ma'am. He
would.
I also have text messages from him where he's actually saying thank you for the payment. Thank you for the payment.
And you asked for, hold on one second, and you asked for back child support as well.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, they've been living with you for the past year, all right? And you're saying that's how much money that you've given him every single month?
Every single month.
Okay. So the children do live with him, which means you should be paying him some sort of child support.
That's $950 so far a month.
Okay. I thought it was $750.
$750 plus the insurance that I'm already paying.
Oh, okay. How much is the insurance?
The insurance is $200 a month.
Okay, is that for all three of the children?
That's for all three children.
Okay.
That's a travesty, you're high up.
1 second. Now, is that not what she's paying? How do you know?
The money that hits that account is nowhere near it.
How much has she been giving you according to your record?
In total, I have $785 from the whole year that someone calls themselves paying. I'm telling you, it's a travesty.
How do you send the money?
I send it
Cash app.
Direct deposit. It comes out of my account directly.
So is it Cash App or is it direct deposit?
It's
are the
direct
children
deposit.
16, 12, and 9, or they 7, 9, and 11?
7, 9, and
Y'all
11.
have me so
As the young folks say these days, I got receipts.
I have receipts also, ma'am.
So it sounds like we need birth certificates too
Let's
because
do
y'all don't
it.
know how old these
Let's
kids
do
are.
it. My son say he stays high. How would he know?
Oh.
I got a witness.
Okay. Who is your witness? And what are they going to be a witness to?
My character and how she has not been paying on these bills that she's supposed to be paying on, Your Honor. I need help with this insurance.
Okay. All right, so we're going to have the bailiff get your witness, okay?
I appreciate that.
All right.
The mother's refusal to pay child support is reportedly motivated by her feelings of disrespect due to the father's reference to her profession. However, the core issue remains that her choices prioritize her career over her children's well-being. The distinction between stripper and exotic dancer does not alter the fact that her actions suggest a concerning imbalance in her priorities.
Excuse me, Your Honor. Excuse me. That's supposed to be my witness. What did you?
Didn't turn out that way today, Your Honor. Didn't turn out that way.
Okay, so she is your witness.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and what is your name? Yes.
Shantae.
Okay. Did you forget your name?
No, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Now, Miss Shantae, what? And you will not disrespect and disrupt her.
I get quiet.
Okay, please. Thank you. Now, Shantae, what's going on? Has she been giving this man $750 a month, or is his account true that it's only $700 or so dollars?
There's only $785 that's been given the whole year.
Okay.
The whole year.
Okay, Miss Shantae.
So where's the rest
sure?
of the money?
Wait, Miss
Excuse
Shantae.
me. No, you wait. You wait. I'm about ready to have my bailiff escort you out of here.
Square business, Your Honor.
You too.
I've been taking care of you.
Both of you. And Shantae, I know you just did not sit in this witness seat and start talking.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
Yeah, don't be sorry. Don't do it. I'm going to tell you just like I told these two. Only answer the questions that I ask you, all right?
Okay.
So you're saying she's only given $785 for the entire year?
For the whole year.
Okay. And Dad is being truthful about them living with him and everything like that, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what is your relation to this case? Because she said you were her witness.
Her witness? No.
Okay, so what is your relation to this case?
I'm his girlfriend.
Oh, okay. All right. So what you're saying is truthful about everything going on.
Correct.
Okay.
I've been taking care of her kids for the last year.
All right.
It was probably my kid's toy that he was putting in her ear.
Okay.
You jealous?
See, there she go with that discretion again.
Not jealous
Defamation.
Oh yeah.
at all.
Okay.
Not jealous at all, dear.
Why don't you take care of your kids? Send the money.
You're absolutely
Where's the money?
right. But weren't you? Wait. No. She wants to talk. Now, ma'am, weren't you the
Where's
one?
the money?
No. Weren't you the one that texted
If
me
you ain't
and
talking
said,
about money, I don't hear nothing. Where's the money?
It is about
The
money.
money.
Aren't
The
you
money.
the one that said thank
Ching,
you,
ching,
ma'am,
the
so
money.
much for sending us the money for your kids?
Judge,
Because he's taking me
Judge.
on a trip next weekend.
No.
Isn't that the BS that
Mind
you
your
sent me?
business.
'Cause
We
that's
just
how
need
I
our
know that
money
my
for the
check's been
kids,
posted.
Your Honor. We're just
And
here
then,
about
ma'am,
the
when
kids.
they went on the trip there, she thought she was doing something by sending pictures of her hairy, ran
Your
down,
Honor.
run over body. Honey, don't nobody want
Your
that but
Honor.
him. You see, I left her.
See, she just goes on and on and on and on and on.
All
Your
right.
kids don't even want to be
It
with
sounds
you.
like
Just send your
both-
That's so
money.
untrue,
It's
dear.
send your
But you're
money.
also the girl that my kids saw him doing drugs off of your belly, right?
Excuse me?
Aren't you the girl that
No,
had the
ma'am.
white
Judge,
shirt?
hold on, wait, before you go.
That was
We need
her.
to we need
That
to
was
see
her.
about this insurance.
No.
because that was
No.
her.
Lord,
So
we
I
need to
have
see
been
it.
paying my coins. It's easy for
She
her to
just
say
mad.
that I don't pay, especially when he is sniffing it off of her belly region
Oh,
and when my
Lord
kids
Jesus.
walking in the room.
Okay, so this is what we're going to do because that went real left and I don't have time. I can leave.
I don't need you to do that. I promise, please.
Well, yeah. So it sounds like we probably need to reset this when you all have calmed down.
This case serves as a stark illustration of the collision between entitlement and reality. The mother's expectation of receiving child support was unexpectedly reversed, leaving her facing the daunting task of making up the difference. However, this dramatic turn of events is only the beginning. Our next case takes a darker turn, as a woman's attempt to discredit her husband in court backfires, forcing her to confront a brutal reality. The consequences of her actions will be nothing short of devastating.
That you make a year?
Yeah, you just took it out.
200K.
She makes $200,000 a year.
Okay, all right.
200,000 a year is what she makes.
Okay, thank you. Now, nothing else while I'm talking. Okay, thank you.
But they just
Health insurance, $200. You get credit for that.
Oh, no.
Your child support, because you capped out, is going to come out to $2,760 plus the $100 reimbursement, bringing your amount to $2,860 per month.
So we brought the same type of evidence in here, and because he's hunching his, I have to pay them out.
Okay, that was inappropriate, first off. Second off, I made my ruling.
Which was a great ruling, Your Highness.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Sure was.
You almost didn't get it because
be the
of this
glory.
behavior. All right. Are there any other questions?
No, ma'am.
As I said, if you can bring testimonial evidence is evidence. Now, you saying that he didn't do it is not going to be sufficient. You have another witness over here who says that you haven't done it. So am I supposed to just believe, wait a minute, am I just supposed to believe that you have done it? You said you do it by direct deposit,
I
right?
do.
So that means you should have some slips to show that
but
he's
he
not
don't have
telling the
any
truth.
either. He just have the mouth that he landed in.
Okay,
Cash
well,
out.
here's the deal. I said what I said. You didn't have anything. Is there anything further?
No, ma'am.
No, Your Honor.
You know what?
Okay, if there is nothing further, you all are dismissed.
Just busy.
The father's decision to divorce likely stemmed from the mother's pattern of false accusations and financial exploitation. Sadly, their children are now innocent casualties of their parents' conflicts, a heartbreaking consequence of emotional immaturity. This case sheds light on the growing concern of toxic partnerships in modern relationships. The devastating effects on families and children cannot be overstated. Share your thoughts on this case and the impact of toxic partners in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more compelling court dramas. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.